Welcome to HoroInfoTech. Now open the KINEMASTer app, then select that empty project, then the section is open. So now go to media, then choose the video which you have downloaded. So I'll choose mine, which is in the folder. So I selected the video. Now just press OK. Then okay, the video is selected. Now again go to media, then go to the pixel lab where I have saved my logo or the text. Okay, the text I've selected. Now just now click on the video, just go to that speed control section, just decrease the speed little bit. So here I am decreasing the speed. You can do according to yours. So the speed I have decreased. Now choose the text, then adjust it. Just bring it to the right side. Yes. Okay. So just increase the size a little bit. Then put it down a little bit. Play and see. So here it will look like this. So as you can see, so the text will pop out. So since it's not accurate, so we'll adjust the text a little bit. We'll just and also increase the speed a little bit. So I am putting it to 0.73. The text I am adjusting it. Okay. Just press OK. Bring it a little down. Press OK. Now if you want the in animation, so there are a lot of animations, so I'm just selecting the slide up option. You can choose yours and press OK. Slide up option. Press OK. Now play and see. So this kind of animations you'll get. So you can make yours intro video like this. So just since the text is a little big, so I am making it a little small. Now play and see.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
So guys, it is very easy. So after export the project, save it to your folder, save video to gallery, and choose the size. So I'll select QHD. And after that, you can use the intro video in your video. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe my channel.